Ooh wee.
Oooo Whee family, welcome to another episode of From Pan to the Plate on Oooo Whee TV. Listen, today's episode, family, I'm gonna do a creamy penne pasta vegetable with smoked crumbled salmon. Yeah, you heard me. So, got the penne pasta, got some vegetables, got the salmon. So the salmon, I'm gonna cook it almost like you're doing ground beef, ground turkey. So we gonna saute pan, grind it up, let it crumble, and watch. Watch this plate. Louis family, a little bit of butter. And while that's, we're gonna open up this pasta, family. And you can get this, your grocery store or out of your cabinet, family. Penne pasta or any pasta you like. I like penne, so we're gonna do that. All right, y'all with me? Thank you. Listen, so we're gonna move that butter around. It's already hot, so I like to get it started early. So we're just gonna take the salmon, put the salmon in there, smash the salmon down a little bit. And it's real already, like a flaky fish and everything. So now as you putting it in here, chef like to use a fork. Because when you use a fork, it crumbles it up better. We'll let it go slow. Let the pasta go. Move the pasta around. Put a little bit of butter or oil, a little bit of salt, and your water. Me, y'all know. Y'all know. Ooh wee. In that water, like that. Move it around. Let it start cooking. Take that butter. A little butter in there. And as that pasta cooking, your salmon cooking, get in there, move it around, cut it up a little bit. And we're gonna make the sauce in this pot here. Or I may just make it right in the pan. Because we're gonna take the vegetables, once the salmon is done, take the vegetables, saute the vegetables off a little bit. We're gonna add them to the pasta. Once we add them to the pasta, family, then we'll take our cream, make our cream sauce right in the pan with some ooh wee and cream. That's it. Then we're gonna take a little bit of the vegetables for the end, for garnishing, and flip them in some ooh wee butter. You don't want them hard. You want them al dente. That means a little crunch. Little crunch, family. Little crunch. See that? That's it. It's like that, family. Let that go. Pasta going. We'll cut this on now. And we'll do the actual, we can do that right in here. See, sometimes it don't work, so okay, cool. We back to square one. We're going to do everything out of here. See? Simple. It happens. So you got to move on your feet. Move with your hands. It may take you a couple minutes longer, but it's okay. It's all right. Because move that like that, family. Move that around. A little bit more butter. Because it don't have any fat in it. So as you put that butter in there, give it a little bit of fat, it get it to crisp. See that? And as that's doing this thing, that pasta's still going, family. And as that pasta going and cooking, we're just chilling, Just like when you're at home, just chilling. You at the restaurant, you constantly moving because now you got another ticket in. You got chef hollering at you. You got the line cook saying, hey, I got this up. You got a waiter or waitress saying this and that. The pasta's still cooking because you done ran out of pasta. But you can't tell them no, right? But you at home now. So you just take your time, relax. Just keep cooking. Just keep cooking. Keep moving, keep cooking. Keep moving, keep cooking. See that? Keep moving, keep cooking. Yeah, there we go. Hey, I love when my pans be talking to me. Love when the pan's talking to me. Move that around, family. Move that around. So your pasta normally take about 10 to 12 minutes. I always turn my water on. Cut it on low. Let it get a little hot. Simmer. Once you put your oil or butter in before or after, you know, with your salt, it starts to bubble. Once it starts bubbling, pour your pasta in. Me, I'm impatient like that because I know it's going to cook. But just take your time. I promise you. It's going to be ooh wee. Still bubbling and cooking. Then when that's ready, we're going to take that. We're going to take that, pour a little bit of that water off, throw our vegetables in there. Once you throw the vegetables in there, let it cook for a little bit. We'll throw the cream in there. Let that cream go. Season it up real good. Make sure it's nice and creamy. Let it get a little thick. So therefore, as it gets thick, keep moving this around. See that? Yeah. Now you got that nice crunch in there. So now you can cut this down. Cut that down, family. And just let it cook. And as it's cooking, you'll get your crumble. Now we're just waiting on the pasta. Once that pasta go, pour a little bit out. Vegetables, cream, unbelievable. A little thick. And it's going to be plating time. Ooh wee. Family. Like, subscribe, comment. Listen, to purchase, go to OooWheeTV.com to purchase all the spices. All the spices. OooWheeTV.com. You can pick up your spices. We'll ship them to you. We'll ship them to you. I promise you. We're going to ship them to you. All right, you see that? So now we're going to test a piece of the pasta. Make sure it got that nice al dente to it. Not overcooked. Family. Ooh-wee. So yeah, my back to you right now. I'm just pouring out a little water. You know, once you pour out that little bit of water, like that. I learned this trick from an old Italian chef. Use your pasta water. I was going to do the cream, but I know I told y'all vegetables. So I'm going to follow. Make sure I follow. And you keep some. Keep some. All right. Let that go like that for a little bit. We're going to season it now. Move it around. Cut your fire back up, family. Move that around. There we go. You see that? All right. Still move your crumble. Still move your crumble around. As that's going, family, you see that? Pour your cream in there. Close that up. Hit it with a little more seasoning. Unbelievable. Move that around. Just let it cook. Let it cook. Your pasta not going to overcook because you cooked it al dente. You cooked it al dente so that you have a nice bite to it. Now that that cream is going in there, your sauce going in there, you're going to take it, you're going to plate it, put that crumble on top. You're going to take those vegetables because you're going to put the vegetables in your crumble pan. You're going to hit it with a little Oooo Whee butter, move it around, boom, put it on top. Ooh wee! This gets me excited because I love what I do, y'all. I love it. See that? See that? No cheese. You don't need no cheese. No cheese. Unless you like cheese. Then you can get you some Parmesan, you know, at the end. But this is a creamy vegetable. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable. And it's naturally, with the cream, it's going to thicken on its own. So right now, I got it on a rapid boil. So therefore, it'll start to evaporate and thicken. So I just keep moving it around, moving it around. After that, you'll see it. You say, okay, that's what I like. That's what I like. One time. Let it go for about 2 more minutes. After the 2 minutes, we're going to plate it real quick. And then this a one dish for one person, or you can share it. You want to share it? I think you should. I think you should share this one. Don't be greedy. Share. Turn that off. Look, family. I'm going to just pour that right there. Just like that, family. Gonna take the crumble. Like this, family. And while we doing that, I'm gonna make a little bit more sauce. Just because I like sauce. I like sauce. So if I can get some more sauce going, put that right there in the middle. Keep it inside the plate. Little crumbles. That smoked salmon crumbles. Look at that. Look at that, family. Family. This at home. This at home, family. Listen to that. This at home. This is at home, family. You see that? It's at home, family. It's at home. Family. All right, here we go with the vegetables. So just want real quick, family, just like that. Real quick. Then we're gonna take the sauce. I'm gonna pour that sauce around it, garnish it with that, hit it with some of that unbelievable little crunch, little glistening. That's all you want. That's it. Turn that off. Turn that off. Turn that off. Yeah. Let's get it. Just like that, family. Just like that. Family. Ooh wee. Ooh wee, family. That's it, family. Listen, penne pasta with creamy vegetables. So all together, you got your smoked salmon crumble on top. Oooo Whee family, OooWheeTV.com. Get your spices.
Swinton Images Media Group.